Hello students, myself Manoj Gautam, physical education teacher, Symbiosis School, Agra. Today I am going to tell about chapter 4, physical education for CWSN. CWSN means children with special needs. It's known as Divyang. Divyang means Viklang. Viklang, instead of using the term Viklang, we should use the term Divyang, means a person with disabilities. Disabilities होती हैं the inability to carry out certain activities. The term as disability means any restriction or lack of ability to perform any activities in a good manner. Now I am going to tell about the contents of the chapter. Number 1, aim and objectives of adaptive physical education. Second, organization promoting adaptive sports. Next, concept of inclusion, its need and implementation. Next, role of various professionals for children with special needs. Now I am going to tell about the meaning of adaptive physical education. First of all, I would like to share my views on adopted physical education. Adopted means गोद लिया हुआ, कहीं से अपनाया गया हो, यानी हम कहीं से कोई भी चीज़ को गोद लेते हैं या कहीं कोई चीज़ को अपनाते हैं, अपनाने के बाद उस चीज़ को अपने यहाँ शेयर करते हैं और उसको परफॉर्म करते हैं. मीन्स आ डाइवर्सिफाइड प्रोग्राम of development activities, games, sports and rhythm and suited to be interests, capacity, can limitation of students with ability and who may not safely and successfully engage in unrestricted participation in the journalist physical education program. Now I am going to tell about aim of adaptive physical education. Aim है कि to help or aid differently abled students to achieve physically, mentally, emotionally and socially growth. यानी हम उन दिव्यांग व्यक्तियों को, दिव्यांग स्टूडेंट्स को, दिव्यांग प्लेयर्स को शारीरिक रूप से, मानसिक रूप से, इमोशनली और सोशली उनका डेवलपमेंट कराना. नेक्स्ट, टू प्रोवाइड इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डिफरेंटली एबल्ड स्टूडेंट्स टू पार्टिसिपेट इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम. और इन व्यक्तियों को हम लोग इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ प्रदान कराते हैं. जो एक नॉर्मल व्यक्ति है वही सेम हम इन दिव्यांगों का ध्यान रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट आएगा ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ एडप्टिव फिजिकल एजुकेशन. फर्स्ट, इंश्योर सर्विस टू मीट स्पेशल नीड, यानी ये हम श्योर कराते हैं कि इन स्टूडेंट्स को, दिव्यांगों को हम प्रॉपर अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रदान कराते हैं. इंश्योर दैट द डिफरेंटली एबल्ड स्टूडेंट्स इज प्रोवाइड विद स्पेशल एजुकेशन सर्विसेज दैट मीन द यूनिक और स्पेशल नीड appropriately. नेक्स्ट, डेवलप मोटर स्किल. इस प्रोग्राम के अंदर हम इन लोगों के लिए, डिसेबल्ड पर्सन्स को, मोटर स्किल्स का डेवलप कराते हैं. यानी मोटर स्किल आर एसेंशियल फॉर परफॉर्मिंग नॉट ओनली स्पेसिफिक टास्क बट डेली रूटीन एक्टिविटीज ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट, इनहेंस सेल्फ स्टीम एंड सेल्फ इमेज. इस प्रोग्राम में हम लोग इस उद्देश्य करते हैं कि इसके अंदर बच्चे का सेल्फ स्टीम और सेल्फ इमेज को डेवलप कराना है. Self-esteem or self-image of students and who are differently abled is another important objectives of adaptive physical education. जैसे हम किसी बच्चे को उसका गोल करते हैं कि तुझे 25 टाइम्स इस बॉल को थ्रो करना है, तो जब उससे हम 25 टाइम्स बॉल थ्रो करेंगे तो अंदर उसका सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप होगा। नेक्स्ट, इंश्योर पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम। हम इंश्योर करते हैं कि पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम, ये हमारा मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ एडप्टिव फिजिकल एजुकेशन इज द इंश्योर दैट ईच स्टूडेंट एंड एक्टिवली participate in physical education program regularly at own level and that the students are integrated into the regular education program. Improve physical fitness. इससे to improve the physical fitness of differently abled students is another and vital objectives of adaptive or adapted physical education. नेक्स्ट आएगा मोटिवेट स्टूडेंट्स टू प्रोटेक्ट themselves. The next important objectives of adaptive physical education is to motivate differently abled students protect themselves under any condition that may be aggravated and through certain physical activities. Promote sportsmanship quality. To provide sportsmanship qualities among the differently abled students is also one of the major objectives of adaptive physical education. Participation in an adaptive physical education program naturally improve sportsmanship quality. Keep knowledge of good mechanism, और मेन है कि हमको जानकारी मिलती है हमारे गुड मैकेनिज्म की, यानी टू डेवलप नॉलेज ऑफ गुड बॉडी मैकेनिज्म इज अनदर इम्पोर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ एडप्टिव फिजिकल एजुकेशन. एडप्टिव फिजिकल एजुकेशन हेल्प्स ईच इंडिविजुअल टू डेवलप नॉलेज एंड सेंस टू अप्रिसिएशन with regards to good body mechanism. Improve social adjustment. To improve social adjustment among differently abled students is another objectives of adaptive physical education. Social adjustment are essential and especially in today's society. Participation in sports program of adaptive physical education help the differently abled students to make social adjustment. Organization promoting adapted sports. There are three main games in this program. Number one, Special Olympic Bharat. Number second, Paralympics Games. नंबर थर्ड, डीफ ओलंपिक्स. स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत. स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत विकलांगों के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्राम है. इसके अंदर इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर प्रतियोगिता कराई जाती हैं. इसमें स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत is an officially recognized program of Special Olympic International which was started by Eunice Kennedy. She was sister of John F. Kennedy, former president of USA, and she believed that with equal opportunity and experience as anyone else, people with intellectual disabilities and could complete for more than over through possible. And she was convinced that children's with intellectual disability could be accept national athlete sportsmen, and that through sports they can release their potential for growth and development. It was founded in 1987 as Special Olympic India and changed Special Olympic Bharat in 2001, and it is recognized by Government of India as National Sports Federation for the development of sports opportunity for the people of intellectual disabilities. The Special Olympic Bharat program and has so far down a number of coaches to work with 850,875 athletes across in our country. नेक्स्ट आएगा मिशन ऑफ स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत। मिशन के अंदर प्रोवाइड स्पोर्ट्स ट्रेनिंग, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड स्पोर्ट्स कंपटीशन and throughout the year for children and adults with intellectual disabilities, giving them presently opportunity to develop physical fitness, demonstrate courage, experience joy, and participate in sharing of gifts, skill, and friendship with their families and other special Olympic athletes and the community. Vision of Special Olympic Bharat. The movement improve the lives of people with the intellectual disabilities through sports training and sports competition. It also helped them to release their full potential and develop their skill. Consequently, the athlete, sportsperson with intellectual disabilities became fulfilled and protective members of their community. Oath of स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत। हमने कोई प्रोग्राम कराते हैं, चाहे स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत हो या फिर आपका ओलंपिक गेम्स हो, स्टार्ट होने से पहले सारे एथलीट और सारे प्लेयर्स एक ओथ लेंगे। तो इसकी ओथ कंपैरेटिवली ओलंपिक से समथिंग इज डिफरेंट। इसकी ओथ है लेट मी विन, अगर मैं जीतूंगा, बट इफ आई कैन नॉट विन, और अगर मैं नहीं जीतूंगा तो लेट मी ब्रेव इन द अटेम्प्ट, लेकिन मैं साहस के साथ अपना अटेम्प्ट लूंगा। अचीवमेंट ऑफ स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत। स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत के जो अचीवमेंट्स हैं वो क्या हैं कि स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत हैज बीन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड नेशनल गेम्स इन वेरियस डिसिप्लिन्स सिंस 2002 and it also various tournaments and championships such as national games, national floor hockey championship, national football and table tennis championship, national volleyball and basketball championship, and national badminton championship. A total of 885 athletes have participated in World Summer Games and 5 World Winter Games between 1987 and 2015. बेनिफिट्स ऑफ स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत। इसके क्या बेनिफिट हैं? इम्प्रूव फिजिकल फिटनेस एंड मोटर स्किल। उस व्यक्ति का फिजिकल फिटनेस डेवलप होगा, मोटर स्किल डेवलप होगा। सेकेंड, इंस्टिल एंड ग्रेटर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस and a more positively self-image, and forgives friendship and ensure increasing family support, and it help to building leadership, promoting health of athlete and building communities. And it also help in strengthening athlete mentally, physically, socially and emotionally. Now I am going to tell about Para Olympic Games. Para Olympics Games means Paralympic Games are a major international and multi-sports event for the athlete with various disabilities such as athlete with mobility disabilities, influence, blindness and cerebral palsy. Paralympics Games are held in the interval of every 4 years following the ओलंपिक गेम्स. जस्ट लाइक दैट ओलंपिक गेम्स 4 साल के बाद होते हैं, सेम प्रोसीजर पैरालंपिक्स गेम्स का भी है. द फर्स्ट पैरालंपिक गेम वर हेल्ड इन रोम इन 1960. द पैरालंपिक्स वर्ल्ड वाज यूज्ड ऑफिशियली इन 1988 समर ओलंपिक गेम्स and which were held in Seoul. Opening ceremony of Paralympic game. Just like that Olympics games, it began with hosting of the host country flag and recitations of national anthem. The athlete comes for the march past into the stadium and group according to their nations. The host country athlete enter last into the stadium. After that, host nation present its culture in a form of music, dance and singing, etc. Formal opening of the games is announced. At last, Paralympic torch is brought into the stadiums and passes on unit until it's reach to the final torch bearing who light or Paralympic flame. After that, closing ceremony of Paralympics. Flag bearing from each participation countries enter the stadium followed by athlete and who enter together without any national distinction. The Paralympics flag is taken down. The games are officially closed and Paralympics games is exist. Now Deaf Olympic Games. Deaf Olympic means earlier Deaf Olympics used to be called World Games for the Deaf. न सुनने वालों के लिए होते हैं. And Deaf Olympics are an international Olympics committee suggestion event of which are athlete complete at the elite level. Flash of any visuals signal are used to alert the participation. The Deaf Olympics are held once in 4 years. The first Deaf Olympics were held in Paris in 1924. Deaf Olympics Winter Games started in 1949 and the motto of Deaf Olympics is equality through sports. And these games were also known as International Silent Game. यानी इस गेम के अंदर बहुत ही साइलेंट होते हैं. स्पोर्ट्स इन समर डीफ ओलंपिक्स, इसके जो गेम होते हैं उनके बारे में हम लोग चर्चा करते हैं. एथलेटिक्स होता है, बैडमिंटन होता है, बास्केटबॉल, बेकन वॉलीबॉल, रेसलिंग, साइकिलिंग, रोड, फुटबॉल, हैंडबॉल, जूडो, कराटे, orienteering, shooting, swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, volleyball, water polo, wrestling, freestyle, and wrestling, Greek Roman. Sports in Winter Deaf Olympics: alpine skating, cross country skills, curling, ice hockey, and snowboard. Concept of conclusion: the term inclusion is used to the field of education. That is why it is called inclusive education.